guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is pretty exciting. I have been dying to dig into this. I have the hiccups and it's so annoying, so I'm sorry if I keep hiccuping throughout this video, but I am going to be doing it on this amazing palette, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. This is the High Tides and Good Vibes palette, and I love the packaging. Oh my god, I have been dying to dig into this. Seriously, the colors in here are gorgeous. I'm so excited to make a lookbook on this, and honestly, like, look at this amazing packaging. Like, look at that. Seriously, like, that's amazing. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so that's already sliding out right here. Let's go ahead and push that back in. I thought today we could do something fun and play with the blues. I like to play with the different colors in here when there's colors like these. So this is what the palette looks like, and wow, I'm in love, guys. Seriously, I'm so in love. So let's go ahead, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dig right in. I'm gonna zoom you guys in first. Not wearing any eye primer. I want to just see how this palette works on its own, and I really wish it didn't have the hiccups because like it's ruining the video. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay guys, I'm about to wrap up my eye look and put some eyeliner on and mascara, but I just want to talk about the pigmentation really quickly. The pigmentation on the shadows are beautiful. They're really pigmented and they go on so smoothly. The shimmer though, they go on better with fingertips, or if you wet your brush with a little bit of primer, or if you have primer glue, glitter glue, that would probably work the best. But I mean, I'm just doing it on its own, and I feel like this is pretty good. I love the way it looks so far, so I will do check-ins throughout the day and see how everything holds up. Oh my god, this is so annoying. See you guys soon. Hey guys, okay, so I will check in on my eyeshadow. It has started to crease a little bit now, right where my lid normally would crease. So I mean, I don't know, I feel like if I was wearing primer, it would definitely have helped out a lot. So I don't want to bash the eyeshadows because of the way they're wearing naturally. A lot of eyeshadows do last beautifully without any help though, so I mean, I feel like these could be better, especially for the price of the eyeshadow palette. But I'm gonna give it a chance because I do like wearing my eyeshadow with primer either way. My camera cut off, but I am loving the way that it's lasting so far in the other areas that are increasing. Also, I did have a problem with the sparkles in the shadow palette, but I mean, other than that, everything's good. I love the creamy texture of everything, and I wish I had a glue for sparkles, but I don't. I feel like that would definitely be very helpful. This palette is very beautiful either way. I would definitely tell you guys to give it a try. I'll do one more check-in tonight and see how everything is still holding up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.